So I already opened this box. I get one strap, one more strap, this extra, but not two side, only one side. Okay, this one we get already. I see how this one we connect it. It's very easy. When you open, you have to push it here and then automatically open, but now don't want. So this one also like the same thing. Okay, it's already okay. Now I open this watch and I see here watch and their watch charging cable. So we are steady side. I see how this one is connecting. This is the charger. You see, amazing charger, just magnetic. It's very amazing. It's very amazing. I was review many copy Apple Watch, but it's very amazing. Original is original. See how? Okay. So I going to connect now this one. So now we are connecting here and then set up for myself, set up for family member, myself. Okay, and then we have to scan it. I think you guys see this. I have to scan it. Okay, already scanned. And then set up Apple Watch. I have to use this left side, so I use the left. If someone is right side, also no problem, you can do it. Okay, connecting your Apple Watch. This may take a moment. Let's wait a few minutes. Password. I don't want to do password because these small things, if all time I have to open it. If someone like can do, I have to do okay, password, my Apple password. I cannot see the Apple password. Sign in. Must you have to remember this password, because you know, if you forget your password, you cannot use this watch any more times. So Apple ID password is very important, you know. This watch 44 mm aluminum case, designed by Apple. Okay, enable routine. I do this. Clock Siri, share settings. Okay, this takes how big you want. So I want voltage. Continue. Create the first code. I don't want first code. Okay, continue. Keep your Apple Watch up to date. Okay, so this is Nike sponsor. Okay, download later, because if I download now it's too long. If you have time, you can download it, because it's download update. So I don't download. Emergency source. Continue. Install all. Close later. I am installing it. It take time. Okay, it's to take time. You have to wait this round fill up. take few times. Apple Watch connecting is very easy, but you have to know that. If you feel help this video, must you subscribe my channel and like this video, must you comment what you feeling about this video. Your Apple Watch is almost ready. Just this one is fill up, then you can use very properly this one. Your Apple ID is now being used for iMessage and FaceTime on new Apple Watch. Okay, I'm agree. Okay, almost full. So I have to do welcome to Apple Watch. Okay, my Apple Watch is ready for use. Digital crown, side button and display. So I select the display, swipe. Okay, and then done. Digital, swipe, and then done. Side. Okay, done it. My Apple Watch is ready now. Okay, so now I am going to smart phone watch apps, TV, watch. Okay, I can do all of control this watch from here. I can do it. This is the watch menu. Whatever you want to do, you can do from here. You have to go the watch from the phone. Watch. You can update now here. Continue. Okay. Notification, all notification you can off and turn on also, no problem. Okay, do clock also do. What kind of clock you can do here? Emoji also got there. I can edit it from here. Okay, general, like phone setting. Okay, this is left, right, about. This watch capacity 26.5, available 25. So this is very good space inside. Nothing inside now. Song, photos, application, nothing inside. I can connect this one, Wi-Fi also. So we see how now the inside watch. Okay, this menu, I open this one. Apple Watch original charger is very nice. Okay, I see. What about now this one? Okay, Saiful Islam's watch, general, background refresh. Okay, I will connect Wi-Fi here. Already connect this Wi-Fi. Already connect Bluetooth, BOFs. I like listing. Okay, sound fast code shows battery. This battery capacity is still 100% because this is new watch. So app store, automatic download. I show the automatic download. Calculator, calendar, clock, all of here. Okay, so I go this phone menu. I see how I can do my profile picture here. No photo is still here. I will do watch face. You know how you change your profile picture. So you see I have that I don't have a lot of picture in the phone, so I go photos, and then you guys see create Apple face. I have to do it here. So this color you can do yourself, many color got there. So I am select normal one. This is the normal one. All of their god. Okay, I already add this picture. I show here. Okay. You see guys, this picture already on the profile. So I show again in another one, like this. You just go picture and then go create watch face, and this you have to do it add. Okay, already. So I have to go now. If anything you don't understand, you can comment in this comment box, and you show the description box. Many videos got there. Must subscribe this channel, support us. Thank you so much everyone. Bye.